So check this out. Behind me we've got two shipping containers that are having roller doors installed. One's having one installed on the side, the other one is having it installed on the opposite end to the container doors. Now people often ask me how hard is it to open these big container doors, and it does take a little bit of effort because you've got double locking bars and very heavy steel doors. After all, these doors are designed to protect goods that are being shipped on rocky ships and bumpy trains. Now by adding a roller door to your container, you make it as easy as putting up your garage door at home if you need to access your container.